Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig, and they sent me this gorgeous hair. I absolutely love this wig, so I'm going to show you guys how I created this really nice clean cut look. So it comes in this gorgeous package. I absolutely loved it. This is the lace, you guys. This is how it comes pre-packaged, so you don't have to do any work, especially good for beginners. Look at how it melts in, guys. It's already pre-plucked, already bleached, everything. I absolutely love this wig. It's my go-to these days. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's really nicely plucked, really nicely done, a very high quality hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead, pin it up, and then kind of sort out the lace, match it with my melt it with my glue that I'm gonna use. And yeah guys, this is such a really nice install. I loved it. I really went with the makeup, simple makeup and the simple hair, no baby hair looks, just a really nice sleek, you know, straight middle part look. That is what we're going for. I'm gonna go ahead, cut the lace, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue. I use the Ghost Bond glue. I've cut the lace to measure my hairline. So guys, now that I've used the glue, I'm going to go ahead and use my hairband to melt in that lace. While I wait for that, I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my hair, flat iron it. Flat iron is from Amazon. I absolutely love this. It works super good, super fast. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten it out. I want to get a really nice and sleek look. And yeah guys, keep on watching. Now I'm going to go ahead with the straightening, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of just pull it through a few bits. This hair is already pretty straight. I just want a nicer look, you know, a bit more sleek. So I'm going to run it through a few times. And yeah, so keep on watching. By the way guys, this hair straightens really easily, and it is really nice and soft quality hair. Guys, as you guys can see, this is super nice. Look at the bounce. I love this hair. I really love the density, and it's really full hair. It's not really stringy or anything like that. Again, I absolutely just love my first wigs. They are like, they always come in clutch. So yeah guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm not really a baby hair girl, but I love this classic straight, no baby hairs, clean look. Really feeling it. Definitely check out Myfirstwigs. All the links will be in the description box down below to their website and to direct link to this hair. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe.